Ever build a layout that looks perfect on your laptop, then completely falls apart on a phone? Here's the fix. In this video, we're building a fully responsive CSS grid, one that resizes itself for any screen automatically without writing a single media query. Stick around, because once you learn this trick, you'll use it in almost every project from here on out. Let's jump into the code. Inside the head, we're adding our meta tags and leaving an empty style block for now. We'll fill that in soon. Now let's build out the body, a heading, a subtitle, and a container that's going to hold all our cards. This first card's a bit different. We're going to make it stretch across the whole width like a page header. Now let's drop in 5 more cards, each with just a title and a short line of text. All right, the markup's done. Time to make it look good. Let's start with a quick reset. First things first, reset the default margin and padding, and switch everything to border box sizing. Let's set our base font a dark background and give the page some breathing room. Center that heading and bump up the size so it really stands out. Center the subtitle too and tone down its color so it doesn't fight with the heading. And here's where the magic happens. Display grid with auto fit and minmax. That's what lets the columns resize themselves. No media queries required. Each card gets a dark background, a border, rounded corners, and a nice little hover effect. When you hover over a card, it lifts up just slightly. Let's style the card titles a bit bigger, a lighter color. And the description underneath, smaller, a bit more muted. Now the header card breaks the pattern. It gets a gradient background, and we stretch it across every column. Let's make the header's title stand out with a bigger size. And soften up that paragraph text so it reads well against the gradient. And there you go, a fully responsive grid built from scratch. Go ahead, resize the browser, and watch it adjust on its own. That's it, guys. If this video helped you, show us some love by hitting the like and subscribe buttons. Thanks again for watching. Until next time,